At some point, every rider ends up with a tank bag.
Yep, essentials right in front of you and easy to carry off the bike. Honestly, once you start using the right sized one, it's hard to ride without. I've used the OG Fly extensively on my Duke.
Let's start with the Fly, the big one, 18 liters, expandable. A couple of weekends ago, I used it on my 850 GSA for a quick ride to Mumbai. I had snacks, a change of clothes, and a toiletry pouch. Once I reached Mumbai, I managed to fit a helmet in there.
Strap-based mount fits any bike, and even if a buckle fails, there's a backup D-ring option, so you're never stuck.
Oh, and if you've got a metal tank, it also comes in a magnetic version.
Then there's the Oxus, 13 liters, compact, really good for daily rides.
And fuel stops are a breeze. 2 clips, lift it, done.
The Oxus also comes in a magnetic version that I've used on my Classic 500 for shorter rides.
Now this one, the Viper Pro, my favorite. Looks like it was designed for sport tourers. I only test fitted it on my GSA and it doesn't disrupt the controls, and I'm going to be trying it out on my next ride to Pune.
Yep, it mounts on a fixed base. Bag clips on and off, doesn't move, doesn't mess with your controls, and super stable.
Then there's the Ace. Smaller, 6 liters, but super practical for city commuting.
Quick R-hook mounting, slim profile, easy to carry as a sling when you're off the bike. If you remember, I had it on the Duke 390 when we went on Nickel's broken tarmac only ride, and it was super stable.
And you know what? There's a magnetic version too. Wait, we almost forgot this little guy.
Yeah, the Downtown. 3 liters, magnetic only, minimal design for retro bikes. I just carry my wallet, phone and papers in it. It's something I really like and I use it on my Speed 400 whenever I ride around town.
Yeah, old school vibes, but surprisingly useful.
At the end of the day, whichever one you pick, all our tank bags are built the same way. Genuine materials, built to spec and function first.
What we say is what you get. Every bag designed with riders in mind.
Check out the full range on our website and pick the one that fits your ride the best.
Thanks for watching.